Hi, my name is Jutta Wohlrab and I'm the founder of the Elements of Birth and the Fabulous 9. And I want to really say what an amazing day I have had with a group of 5 other women from, well, global, all over the world. Mirella and Andrea just delivered the most amazing media training you can just think of. So if you wonder, how can I go in front of the camera? How can I feel more confident? How can I deliver a really great pitch? And how can I sit on a sofa so comfortable as I am right now? Well, ladies, you are in the right place. This is absolutely rocking the world. This training was not only just all the techniques that you use, it was hands-on, great tips and very individual, unique, tailored to whoever you are. Like, I'm a different person than one of the other ones. Like, someone is in finances, someone is in parenting, someone is in travels, and this media training really will give you great confidence, will teach you how you can go and step out on a stage, on a podcast, in a radio show, in television, anywhere where media wants you to have. And this is something I was looking for, and I have to say, I really wish for you, just be brave, take this training, because it's most amazing. And all I want to say is thank you, Mirella and Andrea, truly from the bottom of my heart. After I've been on stage already, this one just really reshaped and refined everything. So rock that world, rock that body, and just get yourself right in front of that camera. That's it. Have a great day.